Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Ocoya to create a full social media calendar. So we're diving into Ocoya, and the real thing that you need to do here is from this homepage, it's app.ocoya.com, you will need to sign up, and you'll get a 7-day free trial to check out what they're worth. But what you need to do is go into socials on the left hand side and go to connect. Now you will be able to connect up to 5 social media platforms or networks on this plan. So it's the basic plan. And so here, whichever one you'd like to connect, say for example, Instagram, you're going to go ahead and click on Instagram and then go and click on authenticate. Now, once you've clicked on authenticate, you of course need to know your login details. You need to be able to connect. So what you're going to do here is literally log into the account that you would like to connect. Now, because Instagram and Facebook is owned by Meta, you will be able to log in with your Facebook account and you'll see that these are the tools or the pages that you can actually select. So I'm going to go and select this one and I'm going to say connect. Now, this is a business page. I believe it does need to be a business page. So here we are connected, and up at the top right hand side, you can connect additionals. But here you've got some options. So you can copy this API profile ID, and then of course you can just disconnect it. Now, what we need to do is go to our social planner and we need to go to calendar. So once you create a calendar, this is great. On the right hand side, you'll see a list view or a month view. And here you can simply click on new. Now from here, you are going to create your calendar. You're going to start creating your calendar. And for me, this is great because I can schedule an hour or 2 hours in a day or even in a week, depending on how much time I have in that week. And then I can build a calendar and not have to worry about it for the rest of the month. So here you can see we are planning. Okay, so the planning section over here, this will just take a couple seconds. So you can see there's a date range. You can also schedule your posts, and then there's content. Now this is where you actually upload your content. You're going to have your captions, your hashtags, and then you are going to select the profiles to publish to. So we've got this one over here, and then you can connect additional profiles. Here you will add the actual media. So you're going to add a post, you're going to add a reel, whatever it is that you're going to add. Discussions will basically just cover any comments on that post. Labels as well. Labels, you can just add new labels, and then you can also add notes, and then you can also add a budget here if you're going to turn these into ads. Now, once you've done this, you can actually, you'll be able to place this on your calendar, and you'll just repeat this process, and you'll end up building an entire calendar, scheduling all your posts for different days. And this means that you could take 1 hour, 2 hours, 5 hours. It depends on how long it will take you to make your content, and you can publish it right over here. And this will allow you to schedule an entire month of content on autopilot.